Would you like to know how you can get paid almost $4 every single minute? How you can set up your very own passive income stream that's going to help you make thousands of dollars a month? Well, you are in the right place at the right time. It's Money Shark, and we're back with a brand new method just for you. Best of all, this method is super easy, and all you really need to do is to copy paste stuff, and you're gonna get paid thousands of dollars in return. Don't believe us? Well, make sure that you stick around to find out more. Our method for today is fast, free, fresh, and great. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first website we're going to be using to make money today is called UII.io. Now, this website is actually a website that shortens links just like Bitly, but compared to Bitly, this website pays you money for your links. I know, right? Your links, they pay you for your links. Now, you're not going to be spreading any affiliate marketing links or having people to buy stuff. Any type of link will work. So you can shorten any link that you want and you will get paid when someone clicks on it. Now, you probably are already wondering, how is this even possible? Well, you see, when you shorten a link with UII.io, there will be an advertisement displayed before the final destination of that shortened link, which means that the payout of this ad is divided between you and the UII.io website. So anything that you're gonna send will literally work and you will get paid for. Now, how does this work? So the first thing that you need to do is go to the UII.io website, and once you are on the website, you can see that it says that it earns money. So you're gonna scroll down and then you'll see how you should use UII.io. So UII.io has higher ad payment as compared to other sites, which means that even if you don't have a lot of people clicking on your link, you can still make a lot of money. Now, another thing that you're actually going to be super fascinated about this website is that a lot of views from the same viewer count as separate views. So if I'm clicking on the link like millions of times, that's still going to be counted as millions of click, which is just amazing, right? So now that you know basically what UII.io is, this is what you're going to need so you can get started. On the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to see a red button that says sign up for free. You're going to click on that button and you will be brought to the registration page where you can finally create your account. All you're going to need is to fill in all of the information being asked of you, set yourself a password, agree to the terms, and then finally click on register. Once the registration process is complete, all you need to do is log into your account using the same username and password that you just used, and then you'll be taken to the main dashboard of your profile. To the newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Here you can see your account details and how much money you've made so far. Now, since this is a brand new account and we're just getting started, the amount displayed here is zero, clearly, but once you actually start earning, it's obviously gonna increase. So as you can see here, the total views that your link got, then you're gonna see your total earnings that you've made with these links, and then you're gonna see your average CPM. And CPM means cost per impression, and basically what it means is that you're getting paid for every impression or view that your link gets. Now the higher the CPM, the more you earn. And as you can see, it says we've increased your CPM by 30% for free days, which means that you're going to be making more money during the 3 days that they gave you. So you might as well start now. So to be able to activate your link and get your link, all you have to do is click on New Shortened Link here on the upper left side. And once you've clicked on that, a box is going to open. Now you just need to copy the link that you want to shorten. Since we still don't have a link to shorten, let's talk about that. Okay, so which links exactly should you use, and which of them are going to give you the most money, right? So you're going to have to choose a link to something that's very trendy and a lot of people would want to click on. And so the best thing that we would recommend to you is YouTube. YouTube is something that everyone is on every single day, and usually when you forward that link to something that a lot of people are willing to see, then the chances are you are going to get a lot of traffic. Now for the sake of explanation, let's just go with TikTok compilations. So TikTok is super trendy these days and recently became one of the most popular social media apps. Now, people, especially teenagers, they love watching TikTok compilations, and this is what we recommend that you go with. So just search TikTok compilations 2021 or TikTok compilations, and then you're going to choose one that you like. Now, once the video opens, you need to click on the share button at the bottom right corner. Then a link will show up. So you're going to click on this link. And once it's selected, copy that and paste it into the UII.io link shortening box that we had just opened. Now, there is an option to add aliases, and that can be anything you want. If you want to add an alias like your name or whatever, the alias you added will also be part of the link. And this is actually a pretty great idea if you plan to send this links to your family or your friends. Making links is easy, and literally the more links that you have, the higher the chances of you making money. So you definitely should try shortening as many links as possible, and then experiment with different niches as well, so you can see which one works the best for you. And once you've gotten a couple of links compiled and collected, you can proceed to the next step for today's video. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So now you need to give all your links an equal chance, and the greatest way to do it is to create a landing page which will have all of those links in one place, so that the people that you actually send those to can choose which one they want in particular. And to do this, you're going to want to go over to Linktree, and this website is a platform that creates a single link to a landing page that holds all of your links. So this is how people won't have to go through the hassle of clicking different links, looking for different links. They can only just click on one link and it'll take you to the landing page with all the rest of your links, which makes everything much easier and gives you a better shot at earning the most money possible. So to make a landing page on Linktree, you're going to want to sign up for free at the upper right corner of the page. Then you're going to be brought to a registration page. So again, you're just going to provide your email address, your username, your password, agree to the terms and conditions to get started. Then after you complete the registration process, you are finally logged in, your profile will open, and you will see an option to add links and descriptions on the upper left side of your screen. Now you're gonna click on the edit option and add the links that you just shortened and the description of where they take you. So aside from the links that you've shortened, you're gonna give like a little caption so people know what they're gonna be clicking on. When that's done, your Linktree landing page is basically ready to go. You can see what your landing page will look like to any user that opens it by clicking on the link under the My Landing Page option on the top right side of the page. So, links are ready, the landing page is ready, and now it's time to get some traffic. So you're going to want to copy the link of your landing page, and then you're going to go to places where people will be interested in your links. You can make like a Facebook status, maybe tweet, or maybe you can even make a TikTok. So make sure that you're really targeting the correct audience when you send out the link. And a great way to do that is join Facebook groups with that specific interest. In this case, you can go to like a TikTok group, post the link there, or go and reply to like different videos under famous TikToker, like even their tweets or even their TikToks with like the landing page link. Comment there, and then maybe a lot of people will see it, hit it, and then they're gonna see all your links, give you traffic, and you're basically gonna earn a lot of money from that. And once you've done that, you just gotta wait for the money to come in, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.